In today's lecture, we will be discussing emerging issues in service marketing. Okay, so let's go through it. When we consider service marketing, see, there are different areas in which you can be successful as a service provider. Okay, especially when we consider service. Okay, see, though there are different service providers who are working or who are striving harder to provide service to the customer, okay, to satisfy the customers, still, okay, every service provider, they do have some difference into their operations. Okay, so when we consider service marketing in this 21st century, in this modern era, when we come across service and service marketing, see, there are different areas, there are different issues in which as a service provider you can enter and you can be a successful person into it. ओके, बघा, जेव्हा आपण सर्विस आणि सर्विस मार्केटिंग या दोन्ही गोष्टींचा विचार करतो या 21st सेंचुरीमध्ये, या मॉडर्न एरामध्ये बरेचसे इश्यूज आहेत अँड बरेचसे एरियाज आहेत ज्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही एंटर करू शकता आणि येस, तुम्ही ज्या प्रकारे सर्विस प्रोव्हाइड करणार आहात किंवा तुमच्या स्ट्रॅटेजी थ्रू तुम्ही ॲज अ सर्विस प्रोव्हायडर सक्सेसफुल होऊ शकता. ओके, तर जेव्हा आपण सर्विसेसचा विचार करतो, ओके, बघा, पहिला इमर्जिंग इश्यू, द फर्स्ट इमर्जिंग इश्यू इन सर्विस मार्केटिंग itself is banking sector. Okay, see, gone are the days when banking was offline. As it, see, nowadays also banking transaction they can be done in the offline mode, but many of the transactions they are, yes, many of the transactions they are provided through net banking or through internet in the online modes. Is it? Why? Yes, this is the adaptation into the. So when we can come across services marketing, this terminology, okay, in banking, what has happened is, yes, there is modernization into the service offering. Is it? So, okay, see, for example, prior to the computerization era, okay, prior to 2000 and all, okay, what was happening? Yes, in banking sector, what was done? Yes, in banking sector, offline methods or the bookkeeping records were done. Okay, due to this, what was happening is, okay, the bank employees as well as the service provider, that is the banking institute, they were not able to fulfill the needs of the consumers in a proper way, or they were not able to deal with the consumers in a proper way. Is it? But nowadays, see, due to net banking, what has happened? Okay, the records and all those things, yes, they are computerized. Okay, they are computerized and the database is created in a good manner. Okay, due to this, okay, there is no coercion, there is no such type of no disputes among the service provider as well as the consumer. Okay, because many of the issues they are sorted within a fraction of second due to many of the information systems and softwares adopted by the banks. Is it? So when we come across the banks, is it, and this banking services, okay, see, there are also many of the issues related to this in which a service provider in which a service provider can surely win the market. Okay, for example, through net banking, through many of the apps. Is it? See, nowadays the banks, they are providing different apps, okay, on your mobile phones, right? Okay, means within a fraction of second, if you want to transfer anybody, okay, if you want to transfer anybody some amount, some money, okay, then within a fraction of second you can do it. Is it? बघा, बँकिंगचा जेव्हा आपण विचार करतो, सो जेव्हा आपण बँकिंगचा विचार करतो, ओके, बघा, आपल्याला समजा एखाद्याला फंड्स ट्रान्सफर करायचे असतील, तर आता ह्या बँक्सने काय केलं, त्यांचे ॲप्स तयार केलेत बघा, ॲप्लिकेशन्स तयार केलेत. ओके, त्या ॲप्लिकेशन्स आपण आपल्या मोबाईल फोनवरती इन्स्टॉल करून विदिन अ फ्रॅक्शन ऑफ सेकंड जे आपल्याला ट्रान्झॅक्शन करायचे आहेत, इज इट, नॉट ओनली ट्रान्सफर ऑफ फंड्स, पण बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी, फॉर एक्झाम्पल एखादा बिल पे करायचं असेल किंवा अजून कोणतं ट्रान्झॅक्शन असेल, इज इट, ते विदिन अ फ्रॅक्शन ऑफ सेकंड आपण करू शकतो. ओके, हे काय आहे तर ॲडॉप्शन इन सर्व्हिसेस. ओके, means what has happened is, as per the demands of the consumer, and as per the increasing needs of the consumer, okay, what the banks are making, what the banks are doing actually, is that these banks, they are adapting themselves to satisfy the needs of the consumer, to satisfy the increasing needs of the consumer actually. Okay, then the second service is insurance. Okay, see, in the present era, as we all know, the insurance, it is quite a inevitable part. Okay, right from the vehicle which we drive, till, is it, the life which we consider, okay, our life, okay, everything which we come across, is it, nowadays all these things, they can be insured. Okay, right from your vehicle till your life, okay, everything they can be insured. Okay, and you can have a separate insurance policy for all these things. Is it? See, when we consider vehicle, okay, see, it is quite compulsory to have vehicle insurance, right? Okay, which includes many of the things. For example, when we come across vehicle insurance, okay, what is vehicle insurance? Vehicle insurance means when we consider our two-wheeler, okay. See, many of the time what happens, okay, though we are driving in a safer mode, okay, though we are a good drivers, okay, still what happens, okay, the driving is mostly dependent upon the person who comes before us, or the vehicle which come before us. Okay, many of the time our vehicle, okay, might face any type of accident. Okay, so when we consider accidents and all, is it, in such type of accidents, you as a driver, your vehicle, as well as a person who come across your vehicle, okay, these three things can be affected. Okay, means when we consider our vehicle, it can be damaged. When we consider ourselves, we can be injured. Okay, when we consider the person who is coming in front of, or a pedestrian who come across your vehicle, okay, that person also can be injured. Is it? So when we consider these three phases, okay, see, considering this itself, a policy is designed which is called as vehicle insurance policy. Okay, so likewise, considering the various aspects, considering various factors and various components, okay, different types of insurance policies, they are designed. Okay, various types of insurance policies, they are. So when we consider insurance is, okay, nowadays, okay, gone are the days when only two types of insurance we were knowing. is it, life insurance and general insurance. But nowadays, based on the different criterias and the lifestyles of the people, okay, living in our country, okay, many types of insurances they are generated, okay. For example, vehicle insurance, rural insurance, okay, those people who reside in the rural areas, okay, for these people also, for this rural citizens, rural people, okay, some of the insurance policies they are designed, okay, based on their occupation, based on their lifestyles and all, considering their lifestyles, is it, such type of insurances they are designed, okay. Then when we consider the workers, the employees, okay, for them also some personal and sickness insurances, for the vehicles, motor insurances, okay. When we consider the diseases nowadays, okay, health insurances, mediclaim policies, okay. Then when we consider the secondary occupation in the rural areas, that is cattle hearing, okay, considering this cattle insurance, okay, considering the primary occupation in the rural areas, that is farming or agriculture, okay, crop insurance, okay. So when we go across all these things, all these factors, for each factor and for the risk on all these factors, many of the policies they are designed, is it. So when we consider insurance, ओके, जेव्हा आपण इन्शुरन्सचा विचार करतो, इन्शुरन्स ही सर्विस बऱ्याचशा फॅक्टर्सला गृहीत धरून दिली जाते. ही फॅसिलिटी अवेलेबल केली गेली आहे. ओके, जेव्हा आपण इन्शुरन्सचा विचार करतो, इन्शुरन्समध्ये बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी येतात. ओके, बघा आधी म्हणजे जेव्हा आपण इन्शुरन्स या शब्दाचा विचार करायचो तेव्हा दोनच प्रकारचे इन्शुरन्सेस अवेलेबल होते, लाईफ इन्शुरन्स आणि जनरल इन्शुरन्स. बट आता बरेचसे फॅक्टर्स आणि लाईफस्टाईलचा विचार करता बरेचसे इन्शुरन्सचे पॉलिसीज डेव्हलप केले गेले आहेत. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल व्हेकल इन्शुरन्स, फॉर एक्झाम्पल रूरल इन्शुरन्स, स्टुडंट सेफ्टी इन्शुरन्स, fidelity insurance, cattle insurance, crop insurance, health insurance, okay, motor insurance, personal sickness and accidental insurances. ओके, बघा हे सर्व पॉलिसीज जे आहेत ते बरेचसे कंपनीज प्रोव्हाइड करत असतात. ओके, many of the service providers they can enter into insurance sector also, okay, through this, because okay, nowadays people do realize that why insurance is important. Okay, because such type of protection, when it is taken in the event of loss, someone will be there to shoulder the heavy losses. For example, health insurance. ओके, बघा हेल्थ इन्शुरन्सचा जेव्हा विचार करतो, ओके, एखाद्या व्यक्तीला जर अगदी एक दिवसासाठी जरी हॉस्पिटलाइज केलं तरीसुद्धा त्याचं जे बिल, नॉर्मली जे बिल येतं ते काही लाखात येतं, इज इट. आणि ॲज अ कॉमन पर्सन, ॲज अ कॉमन मॅन, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर दॅट पर्सन टू पे दोज हॉस्पिटलायझेशन एक्सपेन्सेस. Okay, for this such type of health insurance is taken so that the hospitalizations expenses they can be reimbursed from some of the source, is it. So this is one of the emerging issue in service marketing. Then it is tourism. Okay, as we all know, tourism sector is having its importance. Okay, and nowadays people do like to go on tour. Okay, as people they are preferring to go on tour, to go on trips, is it. Many of the tour operators, is it, and tour operating teams, yes, they are entering into tourism sectors, is it, as a tour operator, as a tour guide, is it. So this is also because what happens is many of the people many of the people, they are not aware. For example, when we consider our city Satara or our place Satara, is it, even though we reside in Satara for so long years, still we are not aware about many of the places, okay, or the tourist spots which are located in this place. Okay, so when we consider tourism, okay, many of the tour operators, they have entered into this place, this field, okay, who provide the information related to tourist spots and places. Okay, then mutual funds, okay, short funds, see, it is not possible for the common man to do heavy investments, okay, so he opts for short investments, is it? So the mutual funds, they are gaining its importance nowadays, okay, so as a service provider you can enter into this field also. Then hotel, see, when we consider the hotel business, okay, it is also having a importance. Why? Because see, nowadays, okay, wherever and whenever you go outside, okay, what you do is, for lunch and dinner, you do opt for hotels, right? Okay, so hotel industry is also a prevailing industry, is it? And see, if you provide the service in a proper manner, if you provide the service in a proper manner, then surely you can be a successful as a service provider. Okay, see, when we consider hotels, okay, there are different types of hotels, right? Okay, see, if you can provide clean, good, is it, service to the customers, yes, the customers will deliberately like to revisit your hotel. Okay, for example, okay, if the person, when he is entering into your hotel, if you welcome that person, okay, if you give him, okay, if you offer the greetings, if you welcome, or your welcome is warmest welcome, surely what will happen? Due to this, yes, the person will feel enlightened. Okay, then immediately when that person enters your hotel, if one of your employee, he directs him towards the empty table, is it, so that he can accommodate himself within some seconds, within few minutes. Okay, due to this, what happens? Okay, see, if that person, is it, if that person is not put on hold, that is, okay, that person is not required to stand for long hours, surely what happens due to this? Yes, so the hotels, if they welcome their guests, that is their customers, okay, and treat the clients in a proper way, so through hotels also, what you can do is, you can satisfy the customer in a proper manner. Okay, then consultancy, this is also an emerging issue in service marketing. Okay, different types of consultancy you can offer, for example, financial consultancy, for example, business consultancy, career consultancy, legal consultancy, okay, investment consultancy, all these things you can offer. Okay, because in the present era, whenever an individual thinks about all these things, for example, if he thinks about his career, if he thinks about his future planning, whenever he thinks about his financial planning, whenever he thinks about investment, okay, when he considers all these things, okay, at the time, okay, when he considers he himself, okay, then in all these respects, in all these respects, okay, especially when it comes to consultancy, okay, for example, if a person wants to do investment, which is the profitable investment, which investment will lead him towards good amount of returns, okay, for this, as an individual, he is not capable to think and finalize the decision. What he can do is he can ask any consultant for offering such type of consultancy in this field. Okay, through this, what happens is, yes, through this, it will be helpful for him to do a good investment. Then, for example, income tax, is it? How much income tax is to be paid? How much income tax that person, that individual, is required to pay? When we consider all these things, okay, here who helps us? The tax consultant, is it? Okay, in the same sense, when we come across career, okay, which career has importance? Who can guide us? Yes, a consultant into this field, is it? Then when we consider some legal aspects, okay, who consults us? The legal consultant, okay. So is it, if we want to purchase a land, is it, there are some consultants who do guide us in a proper way, is it? So when we come across all these types of consultants, okay, what they do, they offer services, okay. So this is also emerging issue in service marketing actually, okay. Then personal care. What is personal care? Personal care means, okay, see, nowadays people, they don't have time to take care about themselves. Some hygiene, some health related things, is it? So there are some people who do work in this respect. For example, the beauty parlor, hairdressers, okay. What is their role? Their role is to offer service in this respect, is it? So okay, these are all the emerging issues in service marketing, okay. Banking, insurance, tourism, mutual funds, hotel, consultancy, personal care, etc. With this, I conclude today's lecture. Thank you.